Bonjour à tous, and welcome back to French with Lucy. Today we're talking about something that trips up almost every French learner. The gender of nouns. Is it masculine or feminine? Let's break it down together. French nouns don't always follow strict rules when it comes to gender, which makes guessing a little tricky. But here's the good news. There are patterns. Certain endings are usually masculine, and others are usually feminine. If you learn these, your guesses will be right more often than not. Let's start with masculine endings. Most nouns that end in the following tend to be masculine. Nouns that has age at the end are often masculine, such as le voyage, le message, le garage, le fromage, le paysage. Nouns that has O at the end are often masculine, such as le bureau, le chapeau, le tableau, le manteau, le gâteau. Nouns that has isme at the end are often masculine, such as le tourisme, le capitalisme, le réalisme, le journalisme, le socialisme. Nouns that has ment at the end are often masculine, such as le gouvernement, le développement, le logement, le traitement, le changement. Nouns that has where at the end are often masculine, such as le miroir, le devoir, le couloir, le tiroir, le pourboire. Nouns that has X and T at the end are often masculine, such as le fruit, le porc, le chat, le bruit, le lit, le prix, le choix, le réflexe, le texte, le complexe. Let's start with feminine endings. Most nouns that end in the following tend to be feminine. Nouns that has aid at the end are often feminine. La salade, la limonade, la promenade, la parade, la grillade. Nouns that has I at the end are often feminine. La soirée, la journée, l'année, la clé, la fée. Nouns that has L at the end are often feminine, such as la poubelle, la nouvelle, la jumelle, la chapelle, la cervelle. Nouns that has ents at the end are often feminine, such as la patience, la conscience, la présence, la différence, la violence. Nouns that has S at the end are often feminine, such as la tristesse, la jeunesse, la gentillesse, la tendresse, la paresse. Nouns that has I at the end are often feminine, such as la compagnie, la folie, la magie, la boulangerie, la chimie. Nouns that has ion at the end are often feminine, such as la nation, la tradition, la solution, la question, la décision. Nouns that has your at the end are often feminine, such as la nature, la peinture, la culture, la fermeture, la blessure. Pro tip: when learning a new word, always learn it with its article. La salade, not just salad. Of course, there are exceptions because it's French, so these endings are guidelines, not guarantees. The best strategy? Learn words in context, practice often, and expose yourself to real French as much as possible. Now you know how to make educated guesses about noun gender in French. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment with your favorite French noun. À très bientôt en French with Lucy.